this video, we are introduced to the key players in this story. The consumer is Karen Francisco, the owner of Happy Mart. Her staff member is Sarah Joy De Rojas, who manages the store daily operation. The supplier, Mr. Lumanglas, is crucial for restocking inventory, and his assistant, Leia Hapes, handle the payment processes. Finally, we have Jericho, who assists with unloading deliveries. Today, we'll see how working capital is utilized in their operations.
Good morning, Miss De Rojas. I just want to ask you if there are still many stock of drinks in our store.
Morning, ma'am. Our stock of soft drinks are running low.
Miss De Rojas, can you contact our previous supplier, Mr. Lamanglas, to order 5 boxes of soft drinks?
Okay po, ma'am.
Please tell our supplier that if it is possible to do the same as he used to do, then we will pay for it when the product we took from here are used up.
It's okay, ma'am. I call our supplier. Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. How can I assist you today?
This is De Rojas from Happy Mart. Our stock of soft drinks is running low and we'd like to order 5 boxes from you. Also, ma'am is requesting if we can continue with the same arrangement as before. We will pay after we sold the products.
Ah, yes, I remember that. Arrangement? Let me check quickly. Yes, ma'am, we have enough stock available. I can prepare 5 boxes right away.
That's great, sir. Ma'am also mentioned if you could deliver the products as soon as possible.
Of course, I'll arrange for the delivery immediately. You should expect the soft drinks to arrive with that day.
Thank you very much, sir. I'll inform ma'am right away.
You're welcome. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need anything else. Thank you.
You do, sir. Thank you again. Spoke with Mr. Lumanglas and they have stock available. They'll deliver the 5 boxes of soft drinks right away and they should arrive within the day.
Perfect. Thank you for handling that quickly. Let me know as soon as the delivery arrives.
Yes, ma'am. I'll keep you updated.
Good afternoon. Is this Leia?
Good afternoon. Yes, this is Leia, the assistant staff of Mr. Lumanglas. How can I help you?
We'd like to settle the payment for the soft drinks we ordered earlier. Can we process it using a credit card?
Absolutely. I will send you the payment link right now.
I've processed the payment using my credit card. Please confirm once you receive it.
Let me check. Yes, ma'am, the payment has been received. Thank you for your prompt payment, ma'am.
Okay, great. Thank you, Leia.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.